Widespread rain continues to make its way across the state of California, but there is going to be a good amount of quiet time this afternoon before even more rain pushes overhead late tonight and into tomorrow. So again, this cutoff low pressure system, it brought some heavy rain over the past 72 hours. Here's a look at some of our highest totals along the California coast, but Southern California easily the biggest winners or losers depending on how you look at it, because it did bring a lot of flash flooding and it did bring some landslides. Los Angeles, 3 inches of rain in 72 hours, some of their rainiest November days in decades. Santa Barbara, over 8 inches of rain over the past 3 days. San Luis Obispo, not too much farther north, but significantly drier. Still 2 inches of rain over the past 3 days. Big Sur, 5 inches. Santa Cruz, 3 inches. And then Santa Rosa, we have seen 1 inch of rain over the past 72 hours. You'll notice, though, significantly lower than the rest of California. And that's a little bit abnormal. But the reason is because it's a cutoff low pressure system. It's because it's bringing all that rain around that low pressure that's centered over Southern California. So they're seeing the bulk of the rainfall. We are going to be seeing a more widespread dosing of moisture that's going to be moving in along a frontal boundary that you can literally see here in cloud coverage. That's going to be arriving overnight tonight and into early tomorrow, pushing away that area of low pressure, that cutoff low that we've been talking about. So let's break down the details and exactly what we can expect over the next several hours, because again, earlier in the afternoon should be mostly dry. Get any outdoor activities you want to get done, I would say before 2, 3 if you live in our North Bay, because we are going to be seeing some scattered shower activity that's only going to get heavier as that frontal boundary approaches. Later this evening, some areas, some pockets of heavier downpours, and then the front will arrive. This is going to be about midnight. It's going to bring along some heavier pockets of rain, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, and some gustier winds, upwards of 35 to 40 miles an hour. But it's only going to be as that frontal boundary moves through. Low pressure is going to wrap around, bringing the potential for a few more scattered showers and maybe even an isolated thunderstorm into early Monday morning. Monday afternoon should be mostly drying out, although inland East Bay and South Bay communities can't rule out an isolated shower or even thunderstorm before much drier, quieter conditions make their way in by Monday and into Tuesday. Today, again, not all too much rain until the overnight hours and into tomorrow, where an additional ½ of an inch to inch of rain is possible. I hope everybody can enjoy the dry and quiet time while you can, though, because again, we are going to be seeing a good amount of it as we step out into the middle parts of the upcoming week. That storm system from overnight tonight and into tomorrow will depart, and there should be some dry time before that next frontal boundary arrives. This frontal boundary is going to be moving in by the time that we step out later this upcoming week, late Wednesday and into Thursday. Very similar to the one that we're seeing tonight. It's going to be a quick mover, bringing some gusty winds and some heavier downpours. But again, that's not going to be moving in until late Wednesday and into Thursday. So there are going to be a couple of days where you can actually do some errands, do some outdoor activities, enjoy yourself with a little bit more sunshine. Again, Tuesday and Wednesday. Late Wednesday and into Thursday, though, that'll be our last round of rain for a while, with our long-range models actually showing us drier conditions, high pressure moving in starting next weekend. So let's enjoy the rain and keep an umbrella handy up until then.